have this super colorful look that I'm actually living for. Like, I had the intentions of wearing this shirt that I got in the sales section of Forever 21. More often than not, all my clothes are from Forever 21 and most of my jewelry is always from Claire's. So if you're ever wondering, like 99% of the time that's that. But I got this shirt and I don't know, I just thought, you know, it's different, it's fun. This is kind of the color scheme I never actually wear. So I wanted to incorporate that on my eyes, and so I hope I executed it well. And if you want to see how I got this really cute orange and purple cut crease, then please keep on watching. Ooh, an off the shoulder top. Who am I? I actually hate this. So I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna do my Touch in Sol No Porebelm primer. I'm gonna focus this in the center of the face, and then I'm gonna move out with the rest of the product to the perimeter of the face. For some weird reason, I have glitter all over me. I have it in my hair, on my face, and I don't know where it came from, so we're gonna work with it. I have sort of a fresh pimple up here as well. I really need to cover that today, so we're gonna go straight into foundation. I'm gonna use two foundations. I'm gonna be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 6.5, which is way too dark, and so I'm going to mix it with my NYX Total Control foundation in the shade True Beige. So Giorgio over here, he needs to be applied generously across the face or else you won't see him. So I have that just spread out across the face. Now I'm going to take my NYX Total Control and I'm just going to drop it. There's like nothing left in this bottle, so I'm just trying to get every last drop out of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it straight to the face. And this is the Japanese sponge, by the way. How do people like cover their entire mouth with foundation? I look sick. Oh, I think that's the last drop. Nice. A full bottle of foundation. This is the part of the tutorial I just have to justify myself. It's gonna come together. I just have to finish. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this too I'm also running out, so I'm gonna actually take a brush and actually scrape the bottom of this and use the rest. And since this concealer isn't as light as I want it, I'm going to go into a concealer that I haven't really used here on my channel all that much. I use it off camera. This is the Kiko Milano Full Coverage Concealer in the shade number 2. Looks like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it kind of where I applied the Makeup Revolution. This isn't as light as I expect it to be, but it'll give it more coverage. It's fine. While I do my eyebrows, I just applied some of my Kat Von D powder. I just thought, why not bake? I use a lot of concealer. So I'm going to go in with my normal eyebrow routine. I do have one on my channel in case you guys are wondering. I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I'm going to outline my eyebrows and also fill them in. So for my eyeshadow, I want to match my shirt, so I'm thinking of doing a cut crease that involves orange and purple. So I have both my Colourpop Yes Please palette and my You Had Me at Hello. I'm going to combine these two palettes to create a look. So let's go ahead and into the Yes Please palette. I'm going to first start off with this peach shade into the crease. I zoomed you guys in so you guys can see the eye look. I'm just taking this color into the crease with my For Less ME3 brush. And I think I want to do a full cut crease today. So I'm just building up this peach shade to the highest intensity. And I'm also trying to blend it out as much as I can. With the same brush, I'm going to intensify this with the orange shade right next to it. And I'm going to bring this right into my crease because I do have small lids. So I'm just going to get all up in my eye socket and really deepen up this crease. With an even smaller brush, I'm going to go into these two shades right here. and I'm gonna pop that more into the crease as well. Because we are working with contrasting colors, I really want to make sure that this is deep and defined, just so you guys don't have that awkward cut. So I'm just gonna make sure it's as dark as I can get it. And then why not, I'm gonna take the darkest shade in the palette and I'm just gonna work that into the crease as well. I'm gonna take more of this Kiko Milano concealer and I'm just gonna go ahead and now cut out the crease. Now for the fun part, we're gonna go into the purple in this CoverGirl Cool Cat palette. I think that it's probably the best match to the one on my shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this on a flat brush and pat it onto my eyes just so I could get the best color payoff. So I left the outer corner blank and I'm gonna go into the You Had Me at Hello, and there's only one purple shade. I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna pat this into the outer corner. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this shimmer shade, pop it into my inner corner. It's pretty. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper and lower waterline with my Sigma eyeliner. And pretty much the lower lash line is primarily gonna be this purple color. So all I'm gonna do is smoke it out and we should be pretty much done with the eyes as for eyeshadow, but I'm gonna blend it out with my Sigma E32. I also asked you guys before I even started filming to ask me questions, and I just got my first question, which was what sparked my love for makeup. And in all honesty, I was obsessed with art. I was obsessed with drawing and I really wanted to become an artist, but my parents were like, you're gonna be a starving artist and all this stuff, da da da. And so I kind of got older and I just started to play with makeup and it became like something really, really fun. And it was something that started to become implemented as like a daily routine for me. And I don't know, I guess it was like a gradual love for it, because when I was little, I was like, ooh, I'm never gonna wear makeup, you know? As far as eyeliner is concerned, I'm just gonna line my upper lash line. I'm not gonna do a wing because this speaks for itself. I know, Jasmine not doing winged eyeliner. Who am I? Also, if you're wondering about how I do my eyeliner, I recently just posted an eyeliner tutorial, routine, whatever you want to call it, and I will link it down below. At this time, I'm also going to be applying some mascara. So as you guys know, Essence Lash Princess, go to the best out there. I'm so excited to use these lashes. I just got them yesterday night. These are by Flutter Lashes. This is their Selfie Lash. Flutter Lashes has the best customer service ever, because I bought these lashes on Friday morning. They shipped that day and they got to me by the next day. That's crazy. And I didn't even pay for expedited shipping. You guys know how I am. I'ma just wait for my package. But they're amazing and they're such a affordable lash company. So I'm going to use these lashes and I'm just going to go ahead and measure these to my eye. Oh, and also in that eyeliner video, I also show you guys how to apply eyelashes. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check that out. So I forgot to bring some bronzer into my closet. So I'm just going to go into the highlight palette that I actually am going to use today. This is the Babe in Paradise by Bretman and Morphe. So I'm just going to take the shade Shady Bitch and I'm going to go ahead and bronze with this. So I'm going to apply some blush so this can get covered. I have my Pixie blush in the shade Peach Honey that just flaked all over me. Hello? It broke once. It's not going to break again. I refuse. Then I'm going to take Vacation and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to also use the brush that comes with this palette. Get Laid is going to go on my shoulders. Hello. My collarbones as well. For lips, I'm going to go in with a nude. So I'm going to go in with my Beige Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude. To top it off, I'm using the Desi and Katy More Creamer Please. I'm feeling like I want to go a little glossy, so I have my Shop Miss A Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Glitz. This is actually really pretty. I just started using it and ooh. And then to set it all in, I'm also going to use my Shop Miss A Pro Setting Spray. This video. I hope you guys all really enjoyed. I wanted to say thank you to everybody who entered my giveaway. It's already closed, and you know, if I do have another giveaway that's really big, you guys will obviously hear from me through my social media. And if you don't know already, because I already mentioned it in like my live chat, some of my videos, and even on the YouTube community page, if you aren't in tune with that, I mentioned that I do host secret giveaways, and they're usually always linked in the description box below. So if you're ever just watching my videos, just check it here and now, and maybe there's a surprise giveaway link for you that you can enter. So there's that, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.